Hi, I'm Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy. Recently, EWS reservation has been introduced. Who's this EWS? Economically weaker sections for the general category. I thought I'll make a video who's entitled for getting reservation under EWS category. First and foremost is the candidates who belong to OBCs, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. They are not entitled for EWS reservation. This 10% EWS reservation is only for general category candidates. Second, this EWS reservation is only applicable for central government posts, means central government services recruitment, as well as central government universities. It is not applicable for state government posts. Now, who in general category are entitled for this 10% EWS reservation? Two broad categories are there on which they see whether you are eligible or not. First criteria is your income. Second criteria is your assets. Both criteria, both income and assets criteria, only if you satisfy, then you are eligible for this 10% EWS reservation. Now this income, on what basis they decide? The income is not just your income, the family income. Now family income in last 1 year, in the last financial year, should not have exceeded rupees 8 lakhs. So here family means not only your parents, here it is also including your siblings, also your own income if you are employed, also your spouse. Now all are clubbed together. This entire family income should be less than rupees 8 lakhs. Second, income. What all includes in the family income? Salary, agricultural income and income from other sources like business, profession and etc. Unlike OBC criteria, here it is more stringent. Because in OBC criteria, salary and agricultural income will be excluded. Whereas here, salary, agricultural income, business income, any income, everything put together, and that too for the entire family should be less than rupees 8 lakhs. Second, in addition to the income criteria, one should also satisfy the assets criteria. Now, assets, what are the rules? Assets, number one, agricultural land, the family should not own more than 5 acres. If your family is owning 5 acres or more, then you are not entitled for EWS reservation. Second, if your family is owning a flat of 1000 square feet or more, you are not entitled for EWS reservation. See, all these things is in addition to the income criteria. The asset is, yes, one is agricultural land, another is flats. Third, instead of flat, you are owning a plot, residential plot. Now, if it was plot in notified municipal areas, you should not own more than 100 square yards. Means 100 square yards is equivalent of 900 square feet. So 900 square feet or more plot area, residential plot, if you are owning, you are not entitled for this EWS reservation. This is for notified municipality areas. Now you may ask me, what is that notified municipality areas? See, each state government notifies certain areas as municipal areas. That part you can check it, just go to the Google, type, say if you are from Uttar Pradesh, just type it. See, notified municipality areas in Uttar Pradesh. Then a big list comes. Small towns and all will come. Now, again, if you are from Tamil Nadu or Bengal, just type notified municipality areas in your own state, whatever state, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, whatever it is, just type it. The state government's list will come. That will make you understand whether you own a place in that particular notified municipal area. Now, other than notified municipality areas, again, if you own a plot which means residential plot, if it is more than 200 square yards. 200 square yards means it is equivalent of 1800 square feet. So if you own 1800 square feet or more residential plot in non-notified municipality areas, then also you are not entitled for this reservation under EWS category. So first of all, be very clear, you should satisfy both this income criteria as well as assets criteria to get reservation under EWS. If you think you are eligible, then the next question comes to you is where you can get this EWS certificate. You can get it from your own local Tehsildar office or subdivisional officer, SDO or SDM, subdivisional magistrate. SDO or SDM office, there also you can get, or DM, district magistrate or district collector office. They are also authorized to issue EWS certificate. I have attached in the description of this video in which format you have to get the EWS certificate. That has been attached along with the government order, the rules and regulations regarding this EWS also, whatever I have discussed, that has also been attached in the description of this video. So you can get it from maybe the Tehsildar or SDO or DM or district collector. You can get your EWS certificate in the format which is given in the description of this video. If you have further doubts, say individual, some cases you may have doubts, please feel free to write it to me at ewshelpline@officersisacademy.com. I repeat, ewshelpline@officersisacademy.com. If you write a mail, I'll clarify your doubt. I hope I have clarified you. I hope you have understood now who is eligible to get reservation under EWS. Thank you from Officers IAS Academy.